In other news, Senator Risa Hontiveros is now the target of an ethics complaint after a witness claimed she allegedly paid him to testify against top political figures. Jason Rubrico for the full story.
More than a month after a witness retracted his statements and accused Senator Risa Hontiveros of allegedly paying him to testify against Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, Vice President Sara Duterte, and former President Rodrigo Duterte, a group of lawyers are now taking the matter to the Senate.
It has gotten to a point na kailangan na po talaga ng Senate investigation sa Ethics Committee against Senator Risa Hontiveros. Abot na yung point na si Senator Hontiveros karoon ng parang pattern of bringing witnesses to her investigation who are false witnesses. And the latest of that, ito pong alias Rene, or his real name is Michael Murillo, ay nagsalita na po na siya po ay binayaran allegedly ni Hontiveros.
Attorneys Jean Paras, Manny Luna, and Ferdinand Topacio say they will formally file an ethics complaint before the chamber.
Ang hinihingi namin dito will be for the Senate to conduct an investigation. We are not saying that she is already guilty kasi meron due process. For purposes of initiating the investigation for possible ethics violation and disorderly conduct.
Luna emphasized that the move is meant to allow the Senate to police its own ranks and to show the public the truth. The complainants insist the move is about accountability and warn that if the Senate refuses to investigate and the allegations are later proven true, it would appear as if the chamber tolerated serious misconduct. Senator Hontiveros, meanwhile, has denied the allegations made by the witness known as alias Rene. For God and my beloved Philippines, I am Jason Rubrico, SMNI News.